Hebei Baiyun Daily Chemical Company Limited, founded in 2005, is a specialized soap manufacturer. It covers an area of 80 mu and a building area of 10,000 meters square. Now, our company has more than 100 employees, including 3 external senior engineers and over 30 technical professionals, is equipped with 6 production lines, which annually yield 30,000 tons of transparent soaps, and 1 imported soap production line, which annually yield 7,000 tons of premium soaps, such as colorful striped soap and marbleized soap. Jingjiu, Xiangpai, Ruibai, Ruichi premium transparent soaps, crystal soaps, toilet soaps, and extra strong series laundry soaps made by using high technologies, sophisticated facilities, and high-quality raw materials and advanced formulations are featured by clean appearance, long-lasting aroma, rich foam, powerful detergency, sterilization, skin care. We adhere to the policy of high quality, low price, low profit, which makes our products very competitive in the market and sell well across China. Under the market economy environment, our company has focused on system management standardization, improved more flexible operation system, strengthened quality awareness, and developed new products internally by virtue of scientific and technological progress and talent progress. Company has passed the ISO 9001 International Quality System Audit. Our company is willing to cooperate with you in the principle of credit foremost to create a real brand.